Welcome back, guys. This is Jay from the Crypto Arc. I've been away again, on and off with this, but anyways, I'm gonna make a video today about one of the most bullish picks for this year, and that is Sologenics. But before I get started, I just want to say that nothing in my video is financial advice, so please do your own research, guys. There's a lot of information out there that can help you, but you know what? I can't feed everything to you. I'm only feeding you like small parts here and there because there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there that are making a big difference in the new economy, and it's very important for everyone else to be informed about the new economy, what's involved, because everything is being transitioned into the blockchain. So that means the old economy is going to collapse, and it's done by design too. So all these weird things that are happening all across the globe, it's all done by design. It's just too weird, man. Like nothing about it makes logical sense if you just like think about it, man. Like if you use common sense. But anyways, let's get back to the actual video. All right, so here's a quote from Alvin, the investor. You are not born a winner. You are not born a loser. I don't know why I had a hard time reading. You are born a chooser. So yes, guys, you do have choices in life, and it's important for you to differentiate between all the different choices you have, because each choice will grant you a different kind of consequence or result. And yeah, just understand that. All right, let's get to. Oh my goodness. Yeah, my laptop is really slow. Okay, so here's the current state of the market. It is what, December 19th, almost Christmas time. So we are getting a little bit of liquidity coming in. As you can see, the market cap is going up. Volume is kind of low right now compared to yesterday. Yesterday was like over 100 something. Let's see, another one to pay attention to. So the ETH gas is 38 Gwei right now. So anyone on the ETH ERC network, if you're doing transactions and shit, is gonna be lower price. So it's definitely a good time to go on OpenSea and mint your coins, or I mean, mint your art and sell it as an NFT because it's much cheaper. So let's take a look at Tether here. It's very important for everyone else to pay attention to the stable coins like Tether and USDC. So let's see, Tether has been negatives, and same thing with the USDC. So it gives us a slight indicator that they're buying assets for the stable coins basically. And also with USDC, earlier this year, this thing was like below 10 billion market cap, and now look at it. It's in the top 10 now. That's insane. And USDC is part of the ISO 222 ecosystem, so yeah, definitely be paying attention to this guy. Even though it's a stable coin, it's not going to go up and down. It is, however, is going to play a big role in this new economy. All right, let's get to other stuff, like following the actual money involved here. Holy crap. So the Federal Reserve right now, the repo and reverse repo, they have now gone up to 1.7 trillion. That is insane. So this started yesterday. Oh, not yesterday, 2 days ago on Friday, and will be ending this Monday. And for sure by then they're gonna have a new one or new contract. Most likely gonna be around this range. Remember, guys, during the summer, this thing was like below 200 billion. Now look at it now. It's like almost 2 trillion now. Almost the same size as the cryptocurrency market cap. So with this money, once again, they're buying mortgage-backed securities, assets, a bunch of other assets, securities as well. And yeah, for those assets involves cryptocurrencies. As to how much, they don't really tell, but as the movement in this market right here, or their reverse repo, kind of like follows with the cryptocurrency market and the waves. So there's definitely something going on. And I think they mentioned too in like articles months ago that they are like the central banks across the globe are buying cryptocurrencies. I just can't remember where I found that, but in one of my earlier videos, it should state that. And also this Biden guy, um, earlier this year it was like 1.4 trillion, and then they bumped it up to $2 trillion plan to reshape the economy. And they're also using this money to address climate change and racial inequities, raising corporate taxes. So like all these fucking problems that they're creating, they're just doing it for a reason, so that way they can make it make sense when it fucking put more money in the market. But you know, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know too much about it, but all I know that this is going to dilute some things, and I know the dollar, which we should be paying attention to, is going to get affected. Now, if we take a look at it, hold on, it's quite high right now, 96.67. So let's see if I can change the chart here to like a monthly chart or something. So when this thing goes down, I mean, when that infrastructure crap comes out, this thing is going to go down. And you would want that to go down if you're hedging the right assets, like, you know, cryptocurrencies. Why? Because there's going to be more cheaper dollars buying these assets. And yeah, it's going to go up. Just watch. Just pay attention to this guy. So seeing as how it's positive right now, it's going to put pressure in the market. So like if you take a look at cryptocurrency earlier, I mean, like, oh, I'm showing you now, we're kind of flat. So yeah, don't expect a lot of activity happening right now. So let's take a look at the yield rate. So past couple of years, this whole entire year, it's been somewhat ranging from 1.75 to, let's see, the lowest 1.17. Now let's take a look at this. When it started rising around here, that's when we were starting getting like all-time highs and shit. But like once it rises, it also puts pressure in the market. So around this time, that's when we started getting that pullback in the market. And then around this time was like the dead summer where, yo man, like only a couple cryptos like Axie Infinity were popping. Everything else was getting drained, but what do you call it? The yield rate was also going down. So that kind of like made it a good floor for all this money to start like consolidating, putting their money in there. And then once again, it started going up towards fall. And then we started, what do you call it, reaching newer highs, especially with the gaming crypto, like the metaverse ones. Those were popping, man. And I still think they're still in the baby phase right now, man. Because there's a bunch of other games right now in the metaverse that are coming out, and they're pretty fun to play. Like I'm playing Theta and Arena right now. And then, oh my god, I'm getting sidetracked. But anyways, this is good. So, according to Gregor Manarino, more inflation is going to hit. So, expect more good money to come. It might not happen this month, but if it doesn't happen this month, maybe it might be moved on to next month. But who knows? You're just going to have to, like, watch the market. All right, here we have another indicator, which is crude oil. Once again, one of the big banks. I keep forgetting which big bank it was. They wanted this to be, like, at 100 per barrel. Right now it's at 70. So, do expect some bad economic news to happen somewhere. I don't know where, but I think there's going to be some sort of explosion or cyber attack in the banks. And then this thing is going to go up, and then everything else in the market will also be positively affected. So right now, since it's negative, it is putting pressure on the market. All right, so let's get to the actual cryptocurrency I'm talking about. Okay, Sologenics. Oh my god, this thing's amazing. So when I was told about this by Dion from MOC Network, it was around like 5 to 6 cents or so. And you know what? I'm kicking myself right now inside my mind because I didn't pull the trigger around that time. I was ready. I had all the assets aligned. I was going to liquidate most of them just so I could get it at 5 to 6 cents. But stupid me, I went in around 30 to 40 cents, but only with a small amount of capital, and then moved in again. Majority of it around $1. And then I moved in again at $2. I'm so happy that I made profits, but man, had I moved in earlier, between 5 to 10 cents, I honestly could have been a millionaire by now. But you know what? I live and I learn. But you know what? Sologenic still has a long way to go. So if you take a look, total supply of this is only like 400 million, and I think only less than 200,000 or 200 million is in circulation, and the rest is being given during the airdrop, which I will talk about later in this video. So let's take a look at the charts here, guys. You know what I'm saying? Holy fuck, man. All right. So Dion started talking about around here, or that's when I first started hearing it from him. Around that time, I was really busy with a bunch of other things too, so I kind of forgive myself for that, you know, because my energy was being allocated elsewhere. But anyways, around this range was when Dion started talking about it more in NYC, and then I jumped in around here. So, but man, look at it. Look at the jump. Look at the fuck, it didn't even stop. okay, it would make like a little pit stop here and there, like halfway, but then it just keeps on going up. Holy shit. But anyways, around November or so, that's when I also found out that they were doing an airdrop in December 24th. And that made me want to pull the trigger even more. So on that time, I was like, oh, it's securing everywhere. Started liquidating some assets here and there, but then, yo, the price jump is so quick, man. And also, some of the, I was, I was kind of like in pain pulling some of the cryptos because they were kind of on their dip. Like Sologenics was going up while the other market was going down. So like it was hard to pull out too, man. So like had I really just purchased around this area when the other positions I had were in major profits, fuck, I could have been in a much better place by now. I mean, in terms of like crypto holdings, in terms of value. But you know what, man? I can't get everything in the world, and I'll just take that as a learning lesson. When something good happens, yo, you gotta make a move right away. You gotta embrace that masculine energy and just like fucking grab your own balls and own it. And yeah, Sologenic still has a long way to go, man. Like for the price of what it's doing and the market cap, I mean, the coin cap itself is gonna make it jump like real high when the rest of the market sees its potential, its value, what it's doing, and I think they're still waiting for some like clearance with the SEC. I'm not too what I call informed in that area, so you guys are gonna have to do your own searching there. But anyways, let's get to the actual website of Sologenics. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Shit, what the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? What's going on? Okay, my laptop is fucking slow, man. Yo, this is fucking lame. But anyways, Sologenic is tokenizing the traditional finance market. So that involves regular stocks, commodities, ETFs. Fucking hell. And I think real estate is in there as well. And with Sologenic, you can also tokenize your own assets as well. All right, so here it is. Tokenized securities on demand, because it's also in the XRP protocol, and XRP is known for on-demand liquidity. Retail and institutional solutions. Sologenic is a sophisticated ecosystem utilizing the on-demand tokenization of a wide range of assets from traditional financial markets or privately owned. So yeah, if you want to tokenize your own assets, go here. And they do have their own decentralized exchange where you can trade for like regular stocks like Amazon, Tesla, all those. Basically, traditional finance market. There we go. And then you have access to other cryptocurrencies in there as well, like XRP for sure. All right, so let's take a look at this one. So that's, of course, there's Sologenic DEX, the DEX. Fast, secure, and intuitive, decentralized exchange built by traders for traders. It's for us guys. So yeah, get it. Oh man. Oh boy. Okay, so Solo Wallet. I think there's one of the places where you can stake it, but I'm not sure if staking is available. I know they're gonna have staking. I don't know. I haven't fully looked into the Solo Wallet yet, so I can't fully say. But yeah, there is going to be staking involved, and I will show you in a different page. So Solonex, tokenization brokerage solution for financial institutions. So they already made like a couple partnerships already to make this shit happen, man. Tokenize and trade 40,000 assets and more on demand. Can you imagine that, guys? So with a regular financial market right now, I think they can only do it during business hours, like between Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. I think I could be wrong, and like there could be different times for other ones, but regularly it's like that. However, with Sologenic, what they're offering, you can do that 24/7, anytime, anywhere. So that's what's so good about them, man. Yeah, you know what, man? Cryptocurrencies and a lot of these blockchain companies are revolutionizing this new economy. So, guys, it's really important that you get informed. So please, if you do like this current information you're getting right now, share this video, press that like button, and also subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of good shit. Yeah, serious. All right, connecting global financial markets with cryptocurrencies, and yeah, XRP is going to be the bridge of all assets, man. Thanks to XRP and my friend Jet for introducing me to XRP. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be in crypto world right now. I'd probably be just doing my other online marketing stuff, making sales funnels and making money there instead of crypto. But like now I'm doing both. Yeah. Yeah, man. Okay. Oh, this is the part that I love. So you get a free solo card when you hodl solo in your wallet. Spend your crypto and tokenized assets anywhere in the world with, oh, where ordinary credit cards are accepted. You can choose to load up your card manually or put the assets as collateral, so you can never run out of limit. So guys, imagine yourself right now having a black card. You slap that thing on the board, yo, the females will be flocking at you like fucking sheeps on these vaccines. Nah, I'm just joking, guys. Anyways, yeah. Okay, come on, man. Like, when it comes to female nature, when they see this shit, they're gonna see you as like someone that has like prestige or something, or someone of a high value, someone with resources that can fund their fantasies and stuff and what they like to do. So honestly, man, I think you're gonna get a bigger edge if you have sold tokens right now, because you'll be eligible to have a black card, man. You know what they say: once you go black, never go back. All right, so if you want to tokenize your assets, you can, click this button right here. Be the first to tokenize your own assets, but I'm not gonna do that, man. Yeah, it's already giving me problems now. All right, so let me show you dividends. This is basically like staking. Holy crap, I'm mumbling. Dividends are portions of a company earnings paid to investors. Sologenic pays dividends, or fractions of profits depending on the user's holdings, into their account in real time as they happen, whether assets are in self-custody or Sologenic accounts. Users who own tokenized assets can receive dividends as just as non-tokenized asset holders can. So, guys, this is fucking passive income right here, man. This is how you make money work for you instead of you chasing money all the time. Make your own crypto work for you guys. This is what Sologenics gives you. Now, am I saying Sologenics is a good buy now? I mean, if you ask me, yeah, if you have some capital that you're willing to risk, yeah, definitely. But I'm gonna talk more about the airdrop and what's going to happen, what I expect to happen real soon. Because I don't want any of you guys to move in at my recommendation and all of a sudden you guys, experience the dip on something, a temporary dip, and go, oh my god, you scammed me, this and that. I don't want you guys to experience that. And if you do experience that, just letting you know, we're still at a, it's still a nascent industry, man. And yeah, a couple of years down the road, we're gonna be at a higher price. So, and I know there's gonna be some people that will buy tops. It's just natural, man. Not everyone's going to be informed at the right time or at a specific time. Everyone moves in at different times, but that also means that everyone's gonna get different results. So don't expect yourself to make or like get the same amount as some other person. Just compare yourself to previous you. Just keep working on yourself or your portfolio. Others have their own set of portfolios. And anyways, what the fuck, man? All right, so this is the roadmap. As you can see, everything else is already done. It's launched and still in the process of development. The only thing that we're waiting on is the solo cards. And that's what I'm waiting on too, man. Yo, I want my solo card. I want to slap it on the table whenever I'm paying for something. Be like, yo, I have solo, okay? And that's just my ego talking, guys. Don't listen to my ego. My ego is weak. It needs to be bruised, and yeah, so that way it gets stronger. What the heck is this? Oh yes, this is their Medium page. All these cryptocurrency projects should have a Medium page. I mean, like that's where they put a lot of information out there on their current updates. Anyways, if you don't have Medium yet, I highly suggest that you. I do have one. I know it says here that I haven't signed in yet, but I do have one. I'm just letting you know. And I have followed Sologenics, but I'm not gonna log in and show you guys that because I'm just doing this all in one take, man. I don't do edits. But anyways, if you want to find out more about the airdrop, of course, just go to Medium, look up Sologenic, and I'll show you some of this. So, who's eligible to receive the airdrop? Basically, XRP holders and solo holders. Not all of them. I mean, not all of the exchanges are participating in the airdrop. So please do keep up with the Sologenic Twitter, also Medium. Mainly Twitter, because Twitter information there moves much faster, and they will give you a much more updated list on which exchanges are participating. All I know right now, as of December 19th, Bitrue is participating in the airdrop, and also XM Wallet or Zoom Wallet, that for sure. So if you're able to get Sologenics in the Zoom Wallet, then you most likely have the trust line already enabled. What it is some, I don't know the lingo, but basically if you can get Sologenic in Zoom, you're eligible for the snapshot. The snapshot is happening this December 24th. The time is, I think, 8 p.m. UTC. So I'm in Toronto, so I'm probably gonna have to convert this to, I think it was ETF or EFTs. Well, one of those. It's probably not gonna be 8 p.m. 8 p.m. for me. It's probably gonna be like 3 p.m. or something. But what I expect to happen, guys. Let me look at the chart again. Is, let's say from now on until next week or the 24th, Sologenics is gonna pop. As to which price, I'm guessing around $10. That's just my speculative guess. Remember, don't take it as financial advice. And the moment the airdrop or the snapshot happens, people are going to move their Sologenic position to XRP. I have seen this multiples of times with other airdrops. I've participated in other airdrops and have gone burned too. I've seen the value of my position go down just for the risk of getting that free token. But yeah, do expect that to happen. So if you are considering making a move, I would highly suggest you make a position now when it's low, because I do think this is going to consistently escalate as we go towards the snapshot. Now, if we take a look at the volume downstairs, right here, where the mouse cursor is at, you can see the volume just getting fatter and fatter. So basically, it's showing that, like, a lot of people are like trading this back and forth, and I do expect more people to buy towards the snapshot because let's see, oh man, so right now, oh wait, there was a tweet somewhere by Bob Raz. I think it was this one. He sent out that exact ratio. Here it is. So this is on December 10th. So if you're holding XRP, you're going to get 0.01 solo per XRP. If you're a solo holder, you will get 1.54 solos. So what time is December? So that was 9 days ago. It's probably much lower now. But regardless, if you're a solo holder, you're gonna get more solo per solo that you hold. So yeah, guys, this is an amazing project right here. This is Bob Raz. He is the co-creator of Sologenic. Definitely do follow him if you want more updated results on Solo. So how much Solo is being airdropped right now? Once I told you guys earlier, half of the supply, 200 million is being airdropped. 100 million towards the Solo holders and another 100 million towards the XRP holders. So yeah, around October or November, early November was a good time to buy in or exchange your XRP for Solo, because man, the rate, the what do you call it, exchange rate was just, oh my god, super profitable. I should have done that, man. Anyways, you know what? There's gonna be other opportunities, and actually, there is a Solo version in the XLM protocol. But you know what? I'm gonna talk more about that in a different video. And if you want to know more about it, visit or follow NYC Network. I am part of the crew, so I'm just letting you know that. And ever since I joined, man, I have learned so much about the cryptocurrency industry, the finance industry. Nah, I don't know much. I mean, like, compared to, let's say, a person that's taken, let's say, a university course, or maybe I do. But anyways, if you want real good information regarding a lot of things that's happening in the market or the world, visit Mega Yacht Cult, MYC Network. They have a YouTube channel, Instagram, Twitter page. I found Dion and MYC through YouTube, so definitely watch their YouTube videos because MYC's been coming out with like weekly videos to keep us informed of what's going on with everything. Because there's definitely a lot of gecko activities happening right now, especially with these lockdowns and variants occurring here and there. I'm definitely not for it, and I don't want to be a test subject to their genomic shot. And what's happening in Canada right now is like, yo, we're being positioned once again to be in lockdown. And I fucking hate that, but that's done on purpose because whenever we're put in lockdown, that means there's like a lot of inflation happening, being pumped in the market. And it always happens, man. Every single time they add liquidity to the market, people get locked down because they don't want us spending our money towards the middle class or small businesses because they want them to die. They want a two-tier society. They want a society where it's like super rich people and then a society where it's just like everyone else. So, because when you have a lot of weaker people, you can control them much easier. And I don't want that, man. I don't want that for a lot of people. I want to save as many people as I can using the information that I have. Um, I know I'm not going to be able to reach everyone, and not everyone's going to believe me. But based on what I've been seeing and what I've been learning from MYC Network, like, yo, there's a lot of bad things occurring in the world right now. And it's not just Canada. We're losing our rights slowly and slowly, or I should say in a much faster pace. And all for the sake of some false sense of safety. Like these shots, they're not even doing anything, man. They're just these things are just evolving inside of the people that took it, and then the people that didn't take it are getting the blame for it. It makes no sense. Like, how can you blame someone who didn't even use the same product as you? Be blamed for like you getting infected. Makes no sense. I'm not sure if I said that right, but anyways, I think that's all I have for this video. Wow, I don't know how long this video is. I only meant it to be like 10 to 15-minute video, but if this is 20 minutes, even better, But anyways, if you did like this information, guys, please do press that like button. Also, share this information as well, and subscribe to my channel because I come out with a lot of cool shit, And this is cool shit right now. What I just showed you is one of the craziest and bestest picks ever. This is Sologenic. Bestest. Wow. I can't believe I said that. But anyways, that is all I have. Yes, take care and happy holidays.